Okay, everyone. This site is absolutely amazing. You're going to love it as English teachers, especially if you're teaching writing stories, because there are so many different options here that you can choose from and do in your class. So let's start. This is the main page of the site, which is called writingexercises.co.uk. And this is the children's section. Now, if you go to story titles, it just gives you prompts for different stories. So if you're looking for a title for your story, you want to start a new story, you need ideas. So it's and then you need an adjective and then a noun. If you click on adjective, it generates one adjective. And if you click on a noun, then you will have the topic or the title for your story. Okay? You can click again if you don't like it. Let's say the imaginary crab or the happy guitar. So you can get different ideas, funny ideas and creative ideas like the sick cat, and start writing your story. If you go to story title 2, then if you click here, you will get a title, and then you can work around with it and get some ideas like the girl who cried over a drum, and then you can start writing other ideas. The girl who joked with a scarecrow. If you continue clicking here, then you will always have ideas for stories for your students. Let's go to story plot. If you go there, then you have an option to choose characters. They choose it, of course, the site chooses random characters, two characters, the place and the event. Let's choose a character, a generous girl, and character 2 is a lonely boy. The place is the story begins in an airplane, and what happens there? Someone is hurt in an accident. And then your students can start writing stories. So it also includes an element of surprise and a lot of creativity. Yay! Something else that I want to show you here is first line for a story. If you click on it, then you will get ideas for the beginning of your story, and then you can start writing. Sometimes when we want to start writing a story, we get stuck, or your students get stuck. So this will give them some ideas of how to continue writing their story. Let's see this example. I will grant you one wish, but it will only last for 2 hours. And then you can start writing the story. If I want to click here again to show you another example, my best friend is a spider. That's because what happened to my best friend? Something magical happened to him and he turned into a spider. Well, you can get their creative juice flowing. I want to show you another option of random pictures. Once you click on random pictures, then you will get different pictures that can also encourage your students to talk in your class or to write. You can have a discussion about it in the beginning, just to brainstorm different vocabulary words so they can generate different ideas. If you click on new picture, you will get a different picture. So there are many pictures here that you can choose from in order to write creatively. Random words, make up a sentence. You click on random words, and then your students can come up with a sentence. It's an excellent way to start working on writing sentences creatively. This site is absolutely amazing. I really, really love it. I think that it's going to be helpful for a lot of teachers, especially if you're teaching writing to young children. That's it. I hope you find this short tutorial helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more ideas to come. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.